You're staring at a pile of credit card bills, but you also have next to nothing in savings. It's a financial trap. Do you throw every spare dollar at your debt? Or do you try to build a cash cushion, even as high interest makes things worse? If you attack the debt, one flat tire or surprise medical bill can force you to borrow even more, digging an even deeper hole. It's a stressful cycle, but there's a simple, step-by-step way to break it. In this video, I'm giving you a clear, actionable plan to get control of your money, starting today. Step 1. Your starter emergency fund. The first, non-negotiable step is to build a starter emergency fund. This is your absolute priority. Before you get aggressive with your debt, you need a small buffer between you and life. The goal is $1,000. This starter fund isn't for a major crisis. Its job is to stop the bleeding. It's for the smaller life happens moments, like a car repair or an unexpected copay, that would normally make you reach for a credit card. Your only goal is to get this cash saved as fast as possible. Cut non-essential spending, sell things you don't need, and look for extra income. Put this money in a separate, high-yield savings account. Step 2. Attack high-interest debt. Once your $1,000 starter fund is in place, you can turn your full attention to attacking your debt. Focus on high-interest bad debt like credit cards, payday loans, and personal loans. There are two proven methods to do this. First, the debt avalanche. You list your debts from the highest interest rate to the lowest. You make minimum payments on everything, but throw every extra dollar at the debt with the highest interest rate. This method saves you the most money. Second, the debt snowball. You list your debts from the smallest balance to the largest. You focus all your extra cash on paying off that smallest debt first to get a quick, motivating win. Which one is better? The one you'll actually stick with. Both of them work. Step 3. The full emergency fund. Once you've wiped out your high-interest debt, it's time to build a full emergency fund. Your $1,000 shield was for small battles. Now it's time to build a fortress. A full emergency fund should cover 3 to 6 months of your essential living expenses. This is the safety net that protects you from a sudden job loss or a major medical crisis. Calculate your bare-bones monthly budget, just the essentials like housing, food, and transportation. Multiply that number by 3 to 6. Then, pour all the cash you were throwing at your debt into your savings account until you hit that goal. Let's recap the simple, 3-step plan. First, build your shield, a $1,000 starter emergency fund to stop the bleeding. Second, use your sword, attack high-interest debt using the Avalanche or Snowball method. Third, build your fortress, a full emergency fund with 3 to 6 months of essential expenses. This framework is your path out of the paradox. It's a clear sequence to take control, one step at a time, and build a life free from money stress. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more straight-talking financial guides. Leave a comment below and let me know which step you're starting on today.